Ashok Leyland, and there's an electric vehicle deal which is in the pipeline. They've inked a pact for e-vehicles now. They're going to be joining hands with Sun Mobility, which is the founder of Reva e-vehicle, and the first e-bus is going to be rolled out in the next 12 to 18 months. So let's chat about all of this now. Vinod Dasari, the MD at Ashok Leyland, he joins us on the show right now. Mr. Dasari, morning. Tell us about this association with Sun and the arrangement that you both have.
You notice that in Indian cities, the average bus only goes about 25 to 30 kilometers. If that's all it does, then when it comes back to the depot, by the time the driver and conductor change, if you could change the battery, you don't need to then carry a huge heavy battery. Remember, a 500 kilowatt battery would probably cost way more than a ton. And whereas if you just had a 50 kilowatt battery, 100 kgs is all you would, that's like the weight of maybe one and a half person. That's all you require to carry. Rest of the weight you could carry with passengers. So you reduce the operating cost, you reduce the cost, the weight that you have to move. And then we said we must come up with a truly indigenous Indian way. And one of the companies that we realized was doing very good work in this. Now there are 6 elements to this. You have the bus, you have the electric motor, you have the supervisory control system, you have the battery, you have the swapping system and the charging system. So the last 3 is where Sun Mobility was good, and the first 3 are where we are very good. So we said if we can bring both of these teams together and find a way of very good integration, then we would be able to come up with a truly Indian innovation, much like has been the history of Ashok Leyland.
So apart from buses, are there any other platforms which you're looking at?
You know, when it comes to large buses, outside of China, we are probably the world's largest bus manufacturer. I think very few people know that. So we want to continue to bring the innovation that has been the hallmark of Ashok Leyland into buses. But we will extend this to other commercial vehicles also. And be limited to commercial vehicles. We will not get into cars and two-wheelers and all that.
So by when can we have the first product from this alliance, Mr. Dasari?
I think it will be next 12 to 18 months, the first product should be expected to come. Prototype hopefully sooner.
What about investment and capacity expansion plans?
I expect that between us and Sun Mobility, we'll invest nearly about 100 crores in developing this product. And once the product is developed, and by the way, we have an exclusive partnership with each other. After the product is developed, we will see what kind of partnership and alliance or JV that we will take it forward.
Right. Mr. Dasari, your volumes were very weak this time, and the MHCV segment has been hit quite a bit. What's the outlook there? By when do you see the normal volumes kicking back?
I think Q2 and Q3, the normal volumes slowly should start to come back, and Q4 will be even bigger. I think Q3 for certainly should be much better than last year. Remember, in all this, that even though the volumes are coming down, quarter on quarter, we have been gaining market share because of our new EGR based products that we have launched since April.
So what market share you're currently enjoying and what is driving the growth?
We launched truly Indian innovation products. When we had BS3, we were the only ones with BS3 in the world with a mechanical fuel pump. When BS4 came, even though we knew SCR technology earlier, even though we own a company that makes SCR technology, we developed, because it has SCR technology, has a urea tank, it has electronics and and a dosing system and all of that. We said for India, for BS4, we must develop something that is truly Indian. We came up with this EGR. A lot of people said it won't work. We sold more than 10,000 of that. And that is what is giving us the boost in market share. It's performing extremely well. The product is doing well. Some people are saying that they're spreading wrong rumors, but I want to dispel all of those rumors. The product is performing so well that we are actually now more than double the warranty. We are expanding our capacity as we speak to enhance the range of this EGR that we can make. Equally, when it came to the network, 5-7 years ago, the total number of outlets that we had was about 270. Today, we have 2,700 outlets. And it's a combination of truly world-class products that are based on Indian innovation, as well as a network that backs it up. These two come together to help us gain the market share. So to answer your question in summary, 5 years ago, our market share was about 23.5%. Right now, our market share is about 33%.